Good morning students of class 5th. Today is part 11. Okay, our exercise is second. Today I tell you about the Indian numeral system. Okay, how we add and subtract if we have given the Indian numbers. Okay, then students will confuse that what is the Indian numbers. Okay, in ancient times peoples were use Indian numeral system, not we use numbers as like 1 2 3 4. Okay, in ancient time these numbers are not available. Okay, not people's not recognize these numbers. Okay, in ancient time the number are as well as like I tell you how the people will use numbers. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. According, if we have number 1 to 10, then we can make another number also. So I tell you only 10 numbers and you can write all numbers. Okay, first of all, in Indian, number 1 is written as well as, okay, 1, then 2 3, okay, 4 5, okay, 5, and you can write here 5 as well as, okay, 5, then 6, okay, 7 8, 8. Then student, I explain you about that how we write. Then look carefully. I write 1 to 10 in Indian numbers. First of all, look, 1 2 3. Student, look, 3 and 6 are as well as same, because as like we use here 36. Then we write the 36, okay, as well as, both are opposite to each other, same way both are opposite to. How, don't be confused here, ma'am, you write the 3 as well as and 6 as well as, but this is the way to write here. 3 is right in this way and 6 is right this way, opposite to each other. Okay, then 7 8 9, 1 and 9 are opposite. In 1 the circle is in left side, and in 9 the circle is on right side. Okay, then 10 11 12 13 14 we write these type of questions also. Student, so in Indian numbers we add and subtract easily. Okay, so we have any digits as like that 1 3 and 7, okay, and add 4 8 9. Okay, we have to add this. If the question is as like that, then how we add the both digits. Okay, so students, look carefully then how we add the numbers. First of all, 7, okay, 7 plus this is called 9. Okay, you know about the 3-digit additions of carry, so you don't have any problem. Then 9 plus 7, student, 16. We write the 16 not this way 16, and the 1 is carry mark. Okay, then 3 plus 1 and 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 1 12, so we write here 12 and 1 carry mark. Then 1 plus 4 plus 1 5 and 1 6, we write the 6 in this way. Students, look carefully that how our answer is 626. Okay, so we can easily do these type of additions, and we can use your subtraction also. In this way we know about the addition and subtraction. You may be do these type of questions in your fair notebook or in question of exercise second, the question number 10. Okay, Question number 10, exercise second will be these type of questions. Okay, you have do these type of questions. Student, I tell you about some word problems also according the Hindi numerical numbers. Your 11 question is as like that. Sham bought, if you total amount, if we have knows about that, what is the total amount of both digits. If the first one number is 128. Okay, second one number is 321. Okay, you can write here any number because math is we gave any example of that. So how we add, what is the total amount of anything we say that, then total amount of Sham he paid that. First one number is, first he paid this number and second he paid this number, then what the total amount paid by Sham. Then how we do here, we do here subtract, we do here addition, because first he paid this one and second he paid the total amount, which what is the total amount of. So we add here addition and subtraction. In normal addition and subtraction, in previous part I explain you addition and subtraction, so you almost do this type of questions also, but only difference between 11, 12, 13, 14 questions that there is Indian number, and in previous question there is normal number. So students, don't be confused how you add and subtract the Indian numbers. You know about word problems, so you easily do these type of questions. Okay, so don't be confused, students. Okay students, so 11 to 17 questions are same. In previous part I explain you, I tell you about the 18 question of exercise 2. Okay, you do 11 to 17 questions because both questions are same, but according there are given as Indian number, and in previous part there is only the numbers. Okay, so word problems are very easy, I explained in previous part. So 18 number question of exercise 2. Mr. Ajay, the question is as like that. Mr. Ajay went to market with 525 rupees. Mr. Ajay went to market okay, with rupees 525. Okay students, he bought fish. Mr. Ajay went to market with rupees 525. Okay, he bought okay student, the question is as like that. Mr. Ajay went to market with rupees 525. He bought fish for rupees 150, oil for rupees 90 and vegetable for rupees 75. How much money was left with him? Okay students, so what can we do in these type of questions? Students, look carefully. Mr. Ajay went to market with rupees 525. First of all, we write the total money of Ajay. Total money Ajay have is equals to 525. Okay, total money Ajay have 525. We can write here Mr. Ajay went to market with total money is equals to 525 also. Then he bought fish. He bought fish is equals to 150 rupees. Okay, then oil. He bought oil is equals to 90 rupees, and vegetable 75 rupees. Okay students, I write here 4 lines that Mr. Ajay went to market. Okay, total money Ajay have 525. He bought fish 150 and he bought oil 90 and vegetable 75. Okay, how much money was left with him? If we went to market with 525, he bought these things as well as fish, oil and vegetables. So total money, so we first of all we do here that okay student, first of all we add the fish, oil and vegetables money. Okay, we add 150, 90, 75 rupees because he bought 3 things, fish, oil and vegetables. So total he buy 3 things, total he bought 3 things. So we write here things. Okay, total things he bought is equals to, we add 150 plus 90 plus 75. Our answer is, if we add these numbers, then we write here 9, 5 1 digit. First of all student, I tell you that first of all we add only 1 digit number, so 5. Okay, then 10 digit number, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 5 9, 16 plus 5. Students, tell me about that. 16 plus 5 21. Okay, so here I write 1 and 2 carry, then third digit number is 1 and 2 or 1 3, 315 rupees. Students, carefully check your answer again, that first we add 1 digit number, that 005, then we have 5, then here second digit 10 digit number, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 5 21. Okay, so 1 is 21, 1 digit number right here 1, then 2 is the carry mark, so 1 plus 2 is 3. So your total things he bought 315 rupees. Then here I write here how much money was left with him. Money was left with him. We can hear how much money. Students, write here also that how much money was left with him. You can do here total subtracted by 525 minus 315. Okay students, so your answer will be okay, here look here, easily you can see there 525 minus 315. So first of all 1 digit number, 5 minus 5 0, then 2 minus 1 1. Okay, 2 minus 1 1, 5 minus 3 2. You say that our answer is 210. What is your answer? 210. Okay students, so you can say that how much money was left to Ajay when he went to market with rupees 525. Mr. Ajay went to market with rupees 525. He bought fish 120 rupees. He bought oil 75 rupees. He bought vegetable. He bought oil 90 rupees. He bought vegetable 75 rupees. Total things he bought from market is from how much money? 315 money. Then the question is how much money was left with him. Okay, so we subtracted the total money he bought from from the total money as a have. When he goes to market and went to market with money that 525 is subtracted from. So student, your 18 question will be do this type. Okay, your 19, 20 and 19, 20, 24, these type of questions are as like this question. So you can do these questions from your homework, in your homework. Okay students, I give you homework according these type of word problems. Student, word problems are very easy, but you study, read this type of word problems 2 and 3 times, then you have to recognize what will we do in this type of questions. Solve question 10 to 20 of exercise 2 in your fair notebook. Students, today I tell you about 10 to 20 questions. First of all, Indian number system questions according 10 to 17. Okay, these type of questions. And previous classes I explained you word problems, how we, if we have different type of word problems and how we add and subtract. Okay, so they are same questions. Okay, you can do your 10 to 20 question, and I tell you some other questions in next class. Okay, so today, this is your today's homework. Thank you.
For more updates, search on YouTube RP Dular Shikshan Sansthan. Please subscribe the channel and press bell icon.